Welcome guys, today magluluto tayo ng labong. So samahan nyo ako, let's go! Guys, first step, meron tayong pork. Ipiprito muna natin yung pork guys. Papalambutin natin. Ayan. So eto guys, sa mga napamili natin, meron tayong spinach. So eto guys ang ating labong. Meron din guys tayong piprituhin, tofu. Ayan guys. So set aside. Ayan siya. So guys, gayatin na natin yung labong. Ayan guys, so wow, labong o yang bamboo shoot. Hihiwain lang natin yan guys. Guys, nagayat na natin ng bamboo shoot. Tapos natin sa water. Yan. Check this out. Pork. Ituin lang natin siya. Yan guys, medyo golden brown na siya. So guys, this is cooked. We're gonna set it aside. Change pan. Then we're gonna grab some oil from here. We're gonna saute our garlic, onion and ginger. There you go. Let it heat up. So guys, now let's put the garlic. Now we're gonna put the ginger and the onion. Let it saute. Alright guys, now we're gonna put the bamboo shoot. So guys, so ugasan natin. Let's wash our spinach. See guys, fresh spinach. Let it soak. There you go. Now we're gonna add some ground black pepper. There you go. Some chili flakes. Let it boil. And guys, we're gonna add some shrimp paste. Wow, to make it more tastier. Shrimp paste. Let's mix it up. Lumipat nga pala kami ng pwesto. Napakalamig na sa labas. Nawala ang araw kanina, sunny. Nawala ang araw, biglang lumamig ang temperature. So dito tayo sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, haluin lang natin. So guys, buksan na natin ang coconut milk. Guys, ating haluin. Mix. Ang sikat na term ngayon, mekos. Ayan, looks creamy na. Lagay na natin yung pork na pinirito natin kanina. So now guys, we're gonna put the spinach, fresh spinach. Guys, look. Yummy. Guys, green na green. Fresh. So guys, this is cooked. Magpiprito muna tayo ng tokwa bago tayo kumain. So now guys, we're gonna fry the tofu. Let's put some oil. There you go. Here's our tofu. So guys, now we're done cooking. It's time to taste test. So ito yung ating bamboo shoot with the coconut milk and the spinach with pork. Ito na ang ating fried tofu. So guys, we're gonna do some sauce, dipping sauce for our fried tofu. So lemon. Guys, we're gonna do a dipping sauce for our fried tofu. Lemon and then soy sauce. Generous amount. There you go. And guys, so let's taste our tofu. Dip it. So crunchy. Yum. So guys, kain na kayo. Let's eat. Fresh vegetable, steamed rice, Yum. Refreshing. So guys, that's it. I hope you like our cooking and eating presentation. So if you like the video, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!